Want your feed to be all about what you love? Following hashtag lets you dive deep into your favorite topics and trends. Here's how to get started. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to follow and unfollow hashtags on Instagram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap on the Instagram app to open it. Head to the search icon at the bottom of your screen. Type in the hashtag you are interested in the search bar at the top. For example, you can type hashtag travel goals. Then you would want to click on the hashtag in the search result to view the post associated with it. You will see a feed full of images, videos, and story tagged with that hashtag. When you are on the hashtag page, you will notice a plus icon at the top. Tap the plus icon at the top of your screen to start seeing posts from that hashtag directly in your feed. However, if you want to stop seeing posts from this hashtag, select the plus icon again to unfollow. You will no longer see posts with that hashtag in your feed. So this is how to follow and unfollow hashtag on Instagram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.